How to get your Binance recovery phrase 2025 guide. Need your Binance recovery phrase but not sure where to find it? In this video, I'll explain what the recovery phrase is, when you actually get it, and how to safely access it, if it exists for your account. First, understand this. If you're using the main Binance app or website, you don't have a recovery phrase. That's because your account is protected by your email, password, two-factor authentication, and ID verification, not a seed phrase like a crypto wallet. Now, if you're using Binance Web3 Wallet, Trust Wallet, or Binance DeFi Wallet, you will get a recovery phrase. This is a 12 or 24-word phrase that gives you full access to your wallet, even if you lose your phone. Here's how to get it. Open your Binance app, tap on Wallet, then go to Web3 Wallet. If you've already created a wallet, tap the settings icon and look for Backup Recovery Phrase or Show Recovery Phrase. You'll be asked to enter your PIN or biometric before the phrase is shown. If you haven't backed it up yet, Binance will guide you through the backup process. It's extremely important to write it down and keep it offline. Never share it or store it in plain text. And remember, if someone gets your recovery phrase, they can steal your crypto. Binance can't recover it for you. It's your responsibility to protect it. So to summarize, no recovery phrase for regular Binance accounts, only for Binance Web3 or DeFi wallets. And if you have one, back it up and keep it safe. If this helped, hit like, share it with your crypto friends, and subscribe for more trusted tutorials.